Hey makeup lovers! Today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide to perfect makeup, so grab your brushes and let's get started. First things first, we need to prep our skin. I'm using the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This product is fantastic for creating a smooth base and ensuring your makeup lasts all day. Just apply a pea-sized amount and gently rub it into your skin. Next up, foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It's lightweight, buildable, and gives a flawless finish. Dot it around your face and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge or a foundation brush. Make sure to blend well, especially around the jawline and hairline. Now let's conceal those dark circles and any blemishes. I'm reaching for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Apply it under your eyes in a triangle shape, down the bridge of your nose, and on any spots you want to cover. Blend, blend, blend. Setting everything in place is crucial. I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Lightly dust it over your face with a fluffy brush to lock in your foundation and concealer. Let's add some warmth and dimension with bronzer. I'm using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Sweep it along your cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. A little trick, make a 3 shape on each side of your face. Blush time. I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending towards your temples for a natural flush. Now onto highlighter. I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. Apply it to the high points of your face, your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. You'll be glowing like a goddess. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette. Start with a neutral shade all over your lid, then blend a darker shade into your crease. Add a shimmer shade to the center of your lid for some extra sparkle. Don't forget to highlight the inner corners of your eyes. For eyeliner, I'm using the Stylistay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Line your upper lash line and create a small wing for that perfect cat eye look. Next, mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Wiggle the wand from the roots to the tips of your lashes for maximum volume and length. You can add falsies if you're feeling extra glam. Finally, let's finish with the lips. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Lipstick in Pillow Talk. It's the perfect nude shade that suits everyone. Apply it straight from the bullet or with a lip brush for precision. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to perfect makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with your makeup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you next time!